Hey guys, welcome to Kidmissing TV. I am your host, Angelina Wilson. This is the case of Christine Eastin. She was 19 years old. She was washing her former boyfriend's car late one evening at a car wash, and she vanished. He is not a suspect. They actually got along, and she had borrowed his car to go to work. He was at work, so she had to pick him up. So he would have been stranded. She had blonde hair, blue eyes. She was about 5'7" and weighed approximately 130 pounds. She was last seen wearing a black-brown leather coat, black boots, blue slacks, a red, white, and blue pinstripe tunic. That's like a big loose shirt. Bluish gold scarf. This was in Hayward, California. On January 18th, 1971. She had recently graduated from high school and was going to college. She went to Mervyn's, it's a store that no longer exists, to buy a new pair of boots with her friend Sandy. Christine dropped Sandy off, and around 9:30. Afterwards, she went to her home and let her parents know that she was planning on washing the car and picking him up at his job at Jack in the Box. In 2005, a $50,000 reward was offered by Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger of California. After the reward is announced, a billboard is funded and set to be erected in late February of that year near the car wash where Christine disappeared. After this, things went quiet again until 2019. In 2019, an unidentified witness came forward to investigators to tell what they had witnessed on the night of her disappearance. According to this person, they had seen two men abduct her at the car wash before driving off in a white van. The witness only got a clear look at the driver. She said he or she said the van had distinctive rectangular side mirrors, which are known as West Coast mirrors. A sketch of the suspect was apparently released to the public, although I did not see one in my research. The last update was in January of 2020 when investigators made a public plea for information. There is currently still a $50,000 reward being offered for information leading to the conviction of the individual or individuals responsible for her disappearance. Her sister Vicky continues to search for answers in the disappearance, even though it's been more than 51 years. If you have any information, you can call the Hayward Police Department at 510-293-7176. That's 510-293-7176. Or submit a tip anonymously through the Federal Bureau of Investigation tip line at 800-CALL-FBI, 800-225-5324. Or through their online tip form. It's fbi.gov. Thank you so much for joining me. I so appreciate each and every one of you when you watch my videos, or you subscribe, or comment. It means everything to me. I am so blessed. I've had to redo these. This is the third time. I'm okay with that. had some corrupt videos, so I had to do it again. It's okay because I got like 3 of them already edited, so I'm happy with that. Again, I'll see you next time for more Kid Missing TV. Please subscribe and hit that bell. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. God bless you.